Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart at 11:11 a.m. Eastern Time on the 19th of March 2017. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? What you see before you is the US Dollar Index Futures wound back to the end of last week. We said last week that we are in demand over here, but this move down made a new low, so likely that the move up will not make a new high, will make a lower high and continue lower. So let's have a look and see how the market actually played out. So on Monday, the market moved further down into this zone and was supported and moved to the upside, which is what we expected. On Tuesday, the market continued higher. And on Wednesday, the market actually put in a lower high and a lower low and continued lower as we expected. On Thursday, the market continued to the downside, and on Friday, we stopped here and went up a little bit. So the question is this: where is the dollar likely to go next this week? So let's readjust our supply and demand zones over here for this week. Take these off, and we're going to add a new supply zone over here. Now if we look left, we can see we have a demand zone over here, and we have over here supply. So one of two things is likely to happen this week. Either the market's going to move up first and potentially put in a new lower high and then continue to the downside, or the market's going to continue to the downside, hit the demand level below, and then move up and then potentially lower. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart so we can understand what's going on here. A number of weeks back, we said that this move down, as it made a new low here, that the move up from here was not likely to make new highs. And as you can see, it's actually put in a lower high here as we expected. And last week we continued moving to the downside. So what I expect to happen from here is that we put in a lower low and we go below this area over here into the demand zone below. Now if we take a look at the monthly chart, if that was to happen, we're going to be moving back into this base. At the moment we're being supported by the demand zone above, but if we're able to move below this area here, it's highly likely that we're going to continue to the downside. So this may very well be the top for the dollar, and we may continue moving to the downside. Now on the other side of the story, if we hold this area over here, then we may very well move up or sideways, but I think the odds are still greater for a move to the downside. If you like this video, hit the like button below if you're watching it on YouTube, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel at the end. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart, wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.